Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a clickable link to an image in your Shopify store. Whether you are creating a promotional banner linking to a product page or guiding customers to another site, this is a simple and powerful way to upgrade your store's visuals. Now let's talk about why would you want to link an image. Direct traffic to a specific product or collection. Highlight a seasonal sale. Add promotional banners on your homepage or link to an external site like your blog or Instagram. Let's walk through how to do it using Shopify's built-in editor and a little HTML. First of all, go to Shopify admin dashboard, log into your Shopify account. Now, click the products tab from the left sidebar and choose the product you want to edit, like that. Scroll down to description, click the show HTML button in the editor. Now, let's insert the following code. A is ref equal to your link here, like that. I will use an other platform website for this video's example, like Google gmail.com or youtube.com. Link, enter your website link here, then target equal to underscore blank, then use a image tag. Wait a minute. Image img src source equal to your image url.com. Like, go to your computer picture section. Now choose one from here and copy the. Wait a minute. Choose one image from Google or image URL. Enter your image URL here and now add alt equal to shop now and set ending tag. Replace the hyperlink with where you want to users to go and the src with your image URL, like Shopify and copy the image URL like that and paste it here. You can host your image in Shopify files. Go to settings or media tab, content tab, then files, upload your then copy the image link and go to product section and again click the HTML and paste it to here. Then click save. You can also do this on a custom page. Go to online store, then pages and click add page. Give your page a title like our new arrival. Then click on the show HTML icon in the editor and paste the same code snippet from products tab. Once again, replace the image URL and link address add as needed. Then click save and then view to test the clickable images. Wait a minute. I'll copy the HTML code from the description, copy and go to online store pages and paste it to here. Then save. Now click preview and click on it, and that's it. I use the YouTube link. When I click on the image, it redirects to youtube.com. So simple. If your theme supports clickable image blocks, just upload the image, then use the link field, choose a product collection or custom URL. After adding your image link, visit your storefront, click the image and make sure it redirects to the correct page. Check on desktop and mobile for responsiveness. So make sure image URLs are HTTPS, not broken. Don't forget alt text for SEO. If the image doesn't link, double check the HTML. Consider using Canva or Photoshop to create clickable banners before uploading. And that's it. Now you know how to add a link to any image to image in Shopify. No coding knowledge needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you need help with themes or custom layouts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.